अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हियर इज़ मोहम्मद सदर खान और आप देख रहे हैं CSS सेल्फ क्रिएटर यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि इस चैनल पर हम CSS से रिलेटेड वीडियोस अपलोड करते रहते हैं और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं पास्ट पेपर्स के MCQs जो कि आपके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। और अगर आप CSS PMS या फिर FPSC PPSC किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर होने जा रही हैं तो आपको इन MCQs को अच्छे से तैयार कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये MCQs मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs हैं और इंशाल्लाह आपको इन MCQs में काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी। जी, तो इससे पहले कि हम वीडियो स्टार्ट करें, आप अगर चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर लें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन में इजाफा हो सके। जी, तो चलिए चलते हैं हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ और करते हैं स्टार्ट। जी, व्हाट इज द टोटल हाइट ऑफ K2? टोटल हाइट ऑफ K2 पीक 8611 meter. Name the glacier which is located in Karakoram mountain range. Name the glacier. All of above: Sichuan Glacier, Batura Bifo, Chicago Lugma, and all of the above. These are all. What is the total generation capacity? What is the total generation capacity of Vasik Dam? 240 megawatt MW megawatt. Tarbela Dam was constructed in 1976. The highest peak of Hindu Kush range is Tejmer. Which of the following pass connects Dera Ismail Khan with Ghazni, Afghanistan? Gomal Pass. Which of the following pass connects Chitral with Wakhan Khan? Which of the following pass connects Chitral with Wakhan? Khanpur Pass. Which of the following pass connects Kila Abdullah with Chiman? Khojak Pass. The first gas field discovered in Pakistan in 1952 was at Sui. सुई गैस थी जो कि सबसे पहले डिस्कवर हुई थी 1952 में पाकिस्तान में। हाउ मैनी पीक्स इन पाकिस्तान आर हायर देन 8000 meters? 5. The highest of Koh Sulman range is Takhte Sulman. Sichuan Glacier is located in the region of Baltistan. Sichuan Glacier is located in the region of Baltistan. K2 is present in which mountain range? K2 is present in which mountain range? Karakoram. Which province is the largest producer ऑफ नेचुरल गैस? नेचुरल गैस जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पाई जाती है, कौन से सूबे में पाई जाती है? सिंध में। विच प्रोवेंस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ ऑयल? पंजाब। डेल्टा प्लेन ऑफ पाकिस्तान स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम थट्टा। when Mangla Dam was completed 1967. मंगला डैम 1967 में बना। What is the total height of Khunjrab Pass? Total height of Khunjrab Pass 4555 meters. Which of the following pass connects Baltistan and Jharkhand, China? Which of the following pass connects Baltistan and Jharkhand, China? Muztang Pass. Which pass is the highest pass of Pakistan? Which pass is the highest pass of Pakistan? Muztagh Pass. Which of the following pass connects Bannu and Ghazni? Bannu and Ghazni. Bannu Pakistan and Ghazni Afghanistan. Tochi Pass. Which of the following lake is called Paradise of Birds? Which of the following lake is called Paradise of Birds? Heliji Lake. Which is the man-made largest lake of Pakistan? Which is the man-made largest lake of Pakistan? Khinjar Lake. Kabul River is located in province KP. Kabul River is located in province KP. Name the nearest city from where Indus begins its deltic stage and breaks it many distributaries. Thatta. Hina Lake. Hina Lake is situated near Quetta. Hina Lake is situated near Quetta. Kalarkahar Lake is situated in Salt Range, Chakwal. Kalarkahar Lake is situated in Salt Range, Chakwal. Hub Lake is situated near Karachi. Halji Lake is situated in Sindh. Kachra Lake is situated in Skardu. Kachra Lake is situated in Skardu. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage was constructed on river. Ghulam Muhammad Barrage was constructed on river Indus. Varshik project is located on Kabul River. Varshik project is located on Kabul River. What is the installed generation capacity of Mangla Dam? 1000 megawatt. Wular Lake is a source of Jahlam. Wular Lake is a source of Jahlam. What is the total length of Jahlam River? Total length of Jahlam River 725 km. The Patwar Plateau. The Patwar Plateau is very rich in oil and gas. Patwar Plateau is very rich in oil and gas. Varcha mine is famous for the mineral of salt. Varcha mine is famous for the mineral of salt. Longest jewel of Pakistan is Khojak. Longest jewel of Pakistan is Khojak. On which river Mangla Dam is built? Jahlam. On which river Mangla Dam is built? Jahlam. What is the total length of river Ravi? Total length of river Ravi 715 km. Panjgora River is located in the province of KP. Panjgora River is located in the province of KP. How many rivers flow in Punjab province? 5. How many rivers flow in Punjab province? 5. Maila headworks has been constructed on the river. Maila headworks has been constructed on river Chenab. What is the installed hydroelectricity generation capacity of Tarbela? 3478 megawatt. What is the installed hydroelectricity generation capacity of Tarbela? 3478 megawatt. Sulmanki headworks is constructed on the river Satluj. Sulmanki headworks is constructed on the river Satluj. Jammu Sindhnai Canal takes water from Chimu barrage and discharge it into Ravi, where all rivers of Punjab entered into Indus. Where all rivers of Punjab entered into Indus. Mithankot, which is the smallest river of Pakistan. Ravi, which is the smallest river of Pakistan. Ravi. Name the most polluted river of Pakistan. Most polluted river of Pakistan. Ravi. Which area has the biggest deposits of copper? Which area has the biggest deposits of copper? Changai. The Indus River rises from Tibet. Which is the longest river of Balochistan province? Which is the longest river? Which is the longest river of Balochistan province? Hingol. Son and Hero are famous rivers of Potwar Plateau. Son and Hero are famous rivers of Potwar Plateau. Which river is called Nile of Pakistan? Which river is called Nile of Pakistan? Indus River. The Chashma nuclear plant was built with the help of China. The Chashma nuclear plant was built with the help of China. Bolan River is located in the province of Balochistan. Bolan River is located in the province of Balochistan. How many rivers are present in Pakistan? How many rivers are present in Pakistan? 24. How many rivers are present in Pakistan? 24. Zob and Mola rivers are located in Balochistan Plateau. Zob and Mola rivers are located in Balochistan Plateau. Jhelum and Chenab rivers merge at Chimu headworks. Jhelum and Chenab rivers merge at Chimu headworks. Chagi copper deposits are found in the province. Chagi copper deposits are found in the province Balochistan. Zain Mary are famous for the gas fields. Zain Mary are famous for the gas fields. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold. Which is the biggest natural gas field of Pakistan? Which is the biggest natural gas field of Pakistan? Sui, Balochistan. Which of the following species metal of found in Dera Ghazi Khan? Which of the following species metal is found in Dera Ghazi Khan? Uranium. Sulfur is found in the areas of Pakistan. Kohe Sultan. Which is the oldest hydroelectricity project in Pakistan? Malakand Dargai. Under Indus Water Treaty, which rivers are given to India? Under Indus Water Treaty, which rivers were given to India? Satluj, Ravi. Satluj, Ravi. Under Indus Water Treaty, the rivers give to Pakistan are Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Under Indus Water Treaty, the rivers given to Pakistan are Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Baluki Headworks was built on the river Ravi. Baluki Headworks was built on the river Ravi. Upper Chenab Canal takes off from Hedmarla. Upper Chenab Canal takes off from Hedmarla. Damer Basha Dam will produce electricity after completing. Damer Basha Dam will produce electricity after completing 4500 megawatt. Dasht River is located in Balochistan. Dasht River is located in Balochistan. Porali River is located in Balochistan. Porali River is located in Balochistan. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. Which of the following are the biggest deposits of coal in Pakistan? Third coal deposits. Which of the following are the biggest deposits of coal in Pakistan? Third coal deposits. What is the installed electricity generating capacity of nuclear plants? What is the installed electricity generating capacity of nuclear plants? 787 megawatt. The organ of Upper Barry Doab Canal is Chenab. The organ of Upper Barry Doab Canal is Chenab. Name the longest river of Pakistan. Indus. Name the longest river of Pakistan. Indus. What is the total length of Indus River? Total length of Indus River 2896 kilometer. Which is the biggest earth-filled dam in the world? Tarbela. Which is the biggest earth-filled dam in the world? Tarbela. What is the installed capacity of Chashma nuclear plant? What is the installed capacity of Chashma nuclear plant? 325 megawatt. Varshik Multi project was started in 1960. Varshik Multi project was started in 1960. When the Indus Water Treaty was signed? 19th September 1960. Muslim Bagh, which is famous for chromate, is located in Balochistan. Muslim Bagh, which is famous for chromate, is located in Balochistan. Sandak project is famous for all of these: silver, gold, copper, gold, and all of these. The Basha Dam on Indus River is being constructed in northern areas. The Basha Dam on Indus River is being constructed in northern areas. Hangol Dam is located in Balochistan. Hangol Dam is located in Balochistan. Producing capacity of electricity of Ghazi Barotha Dam. Producing capacity of electricity of Ghazi Barotha Dam is 1450 megawatt. Producing capacity of electricity of Ghazi Barotha Dam is 1450 megawatt. Peshawar district and major part of Mardan district are consisted of plain areas. Peshawar district and major part of Mardan district are consisted of plain areas. Indus plain is divided into four. Indus plain is divided into four. What is the total length of Pak India boundary line? What is the total length of Pak India boundary line? Pak India boundary line जी 1610 किलोमीटर्स 1610 किलोमीटर्स। जी ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो, जो कि उम्मीद है आपके लिए ये एमसीक्यूज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहेंगे। नो डाउट यहाँ पे फिगर्स की बात थी, तो पढ़ने में या फिर आपको समझने में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा यानी कि दिक्कत पेश आ रही थी, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अनइम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं। ये मोस्टली एग्ज़ाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चन लिए जाते हैं और ये आपके लिए पाक अफेयर, करंट अफेयर और अगर आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल पीपीएससी या पीएससी या फिर कंपटीशन एग्ज़ाम में आप अपेयर हो रहे हैं, तो उसमें आपको इनमें से काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प आउट मिलेगी। ये वो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं जो कि पास्ट एग्ज़ाम से लिए गए हैं और उम्मीद है कि आपके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। तो फिर से वही बात जी, तो अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, ताकि मैक्सिमम लोगों का फ़ायदा हो सके, और बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर लें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन में इजाफा हो सके। जी तो मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।